Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Get Geomatics Engineering. Here we discuss about geomatics engineering and prepare you for GATE. Let's start our today's topic. So in this module there are some content which is types of map, scale and uses, plotting accuracy, map set numbering, coordinate system, map projection, map data. We already covered these two, right? Types of map and scale and uses we already covered. For the rest of the portion, we have to know about latitude, longitude and location. Before knowing this, we have to know briefly about this. So if we know these things, then we easily understand rest of the portion of this module. So for that, the first question comes is how to convey location in a map. For conveying location in a map, we use latitude value and longitude value. Using latitude and longitude value, we can easily convey a location on a map. So now the question in your mind is what is latitude and what is longitude? Let's start with latitude. Okay. So what is latitude? Latitude is a measurement of distance north-south of equator. Okay. Like using this latitude, we can measure the distance of the Earth's surface from the equator. So what is equator? Equator also imaginary line which is runs around over the Earth's surface, and it's also present in the middle portion of Earth, which divide the Earth's surface in two parts. Number one is north, number two is southward. Okay. So for the latitude, we have to keep some things in our mind. Number one is it's an imaginary line. All latitude lines are parallel. And there is total 180 latitude line, and also it runs around the Earth's surface east to west. So first point come in imaginary line, right? So imaginary means we already know we live in the on the Earth's surface, not the inner portion of the Earth. So there was no fixed and permanent line. So all the lines are imaginary, like from start with axis, inclination angle, and this latitude line and all longitude line. The total all lines are imaginary. Number two is parallel. Parallel means one latitude line never overlap with the another latitude line. Like this is a latitude line, right? And suppose there was also a latitude line which runs around the Earth's surface from east to west. These two latitudes never overlap with another. Okay. And number three is 180 latitude line. Means from the equator to the North Pole there was total 90 line, and to the South Pole there was total 90 line. So total latitude line is 90 plus 90, 180 line. And you already get this point. The all latitude line runs around the Earth's surface from east to west direction. Okay. And now the question comes in how we measure the latitude value. So using degree unit we can measure the latitude value. Like from the 0, if we go towards the North Pole, it's like 0 degree, 1 degree, 2 degree, 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. Okay. And from the south side, it's measure like 30 degree south, 60 degree south. Okay. So next we come to the longitude portion. It's also similar like latitude, but the difference between latitude and longitude is number one, the longitude lines runs around the Earth's surface from the North Pole to South Pole. Okay, North Pole to South Pole. And for this longitude, there was prime meridian whose value is 0 degree, and this prime meridian divide the Earth's surface also in two parts. One is east portion, another is west portion. Okay, the total number of longitude line is 360. For east there was 180, and for west side there was 180. So how to measure it? It's also measured with degree. Okay, it's also measured with degree. And another most important point, that is longitude lines is not parallel. Okay, longitude lines meets to the north surface at a point and also in a south surface at a point. Okay, this is west. So from this prime meridian, if we go towards the east side, their value lies 15 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree to 180 degree east. And if we go towards the west side, it's also like 15 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree west till 180 degree. Okay, I hope you people are understand the whole latitude and longitude portion. Next we come to the main question from where we start. The question is how to convey location in a map. Okay, suppose you take this point, right? This is a location point, and this is equator line, and this is prime meridian. The value of this equator line is also 0 degree, and the prime meridian value is also 0 degree. So we start counting from this equator line and this prime meridian. The location counting from the equator and prime meridian, it's similar like xy axis. Suppose this is x axis and this is y axis, and there is a point. This is a point. For this point, the coordinate value of this point is x comma y, right? So for this point, if this is equator and this is prime meridian, so we have to check how much go towards latitude and towards longitude. For that, it's come towards longitude 45 degree west. This is 0. It's come towards west side, so the value is 45 degree west, right? And from this point, it's go towards the north side, and how much the value of the angle? Okay, the angle value is 55 degree. So the point value is 55 degree north. So the location point come is 45 degree west, comma 55 degree north. Okay, so using this latitude and longitude value, we can easily convey our location in a map. Okay, I think you people all understand how to convey location in a map and what is latitude, what is longitude, all that things. If you are getting any confusion in this lecture, please let us know in comment section, and you can also connect with our Telegram channel also. Thank you everyone. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for the regular update.